name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. First of all, I have to present myself. I am Mashhood Anjum, and today our topic of discussion is what is English, English language, importance and role of English, especially in the context of Pakistan. So, before I discuss the main topic, let me define first what is language. Originally, language is the bridge which connects individual and the outside world. Language is closely related to the culture. In other words, we can say that language is a system of sounds, words, pattern, etc. used by human beings to communicate thoughts and feelings. Language is a purely human and non-instinctive method of communicating ideas, emotions and desire by means of a system of voluntarily produced symbols. So in simple words, we can say that language is defined as communication among human beings. Now I am telling you people what is English. English is the language of developed countries like America, Britain, etc. So knowledge of this language will bring change in our lives. It will help us to note good things from the English culture. So here in Pakistan we use English as a second language because we are not native speaker of an English language. Our national language is Urdu language, but currently we are discussing what is an English. Now I'm telling you in brief importance and role of English. Importance of English language is due to its international use. It is fact that vast knowledge of the universe demonstrated in this language. We can make use of English to promote our worldview and spiritual heritage throughout the globe. English may be the only language that truly links the whole together. So now I'm telling you, just keep in mind one thing, and this is the most important thing for everyone. English is just a language, not a parameter for measuring your intelligence. So if you do not know English, it's okay. That does not undermine your intellectual faculties. Now we have three questions. Why should we study English? Why should our students waste much of their time in learning this foreign language? Why does it enjoy a special status in our country? In fact, English has risen in world esteem for many kinds of reasons. For example, political, economic, social and literary. There are 8 kinds of answers given to these questions. First one is language of international communication, language of science and technology, language of computer, language of higher education, language of higher examination, language of high offices and courts, language of entertainment, a rich storehouse of literature. So our first answer is English is a language of international communication. How? English has achieved the status of the language of an international communication. It's the only widely spoken language in the world. In 75 territories of the world, it holds a special place. About 1800 million people use English throughout the world. In Pakistan, about 16 million people use this language. So that's why in English is we can say that language of English is a language of international communication. So second point is language of science and technology. No doubt English is language of science and technology. Most of the scientific and technological information in the world is expressed in English. So technological and scientific terminology is available only in English. So without English we cannot have access to this information. We lose contact with this great source of knowledge. Third important point is English is a language of computer. So as you people know, modern age is the age of computers. Our 80% of all information stored in computer is in English. If we run an Urdu program, we will have to give command in English. Then there are the facilities of internet and email available on computer in English language. Fourth point is English is a language of higher education. In Pakistan, up to intermediate level, the medium of instruction is Urdu. When the students go for higher education, the medium is in English language. In medical colleges, engineering colleges, banking, training institutes, the medium of instruction is English. Those having no command of English have to face a great difficulty. So English is a language of higher examination. Higher examination in Pakistan are conducted through the medium of English. For example of CSS, PCS, FPSC, PPSC, Army, Navy, Air Force. English is the medium in most of the subjects. Another important point is English is a language of high offices and courts. In Pakistan, in higher office business is carried out in English language. English is the medium of the correspondence. Even circular in favor of Urdu are issued in English. The judges of district courts, high courts and supreme courts write their judgments in English. English is a language of entertainment. As you know, English is the language of popular music. It is associated with advertising and modeling. It is also the main language of satellite broadcasting, home computers, and video games. Films of international fame are produced in English. English commentaries on international games and matches are broadcast in English. So last but not the least point is English is a rich store of literature. So here literature means personal use of language according to particular purpose. It is called literature. So English is a rich storehouse of literature. English literature in itself is very rich. From Chaucer to modern age, we can study great poems, dramas, and novels, and such as other things, fiction and non-fiction. In our schools and colleges, some parts of English literature are included in our syllabus. So, in our schools and colleges, some parts of English literature are included in the syllabus. At university level, master or bachelor class, especially in English literature. English literature is very popular with the students. So, in the end conclusion, to sum up, we may say that no doubt English has achieved the status of the language of international communication. It's the only widely known spoken language in the world. An English knowing person can have more chances of employment at home and abroad. He or she can get a job easily. She can fare well in competitive examination. She can proceed abroad with full confidence. So again I am telling you people, those students who are facing problem, especially in English language. So just keep in mind one thing: English is only a language. It's just a language, not a parameter for measuring your intelligence. So if you do not know English, it's okay. That does not undermine your intellectual faculties. So you should try to improve your English skill using English. You can improve yourself through listening English, through writing English, through speaking English, through communication.